So tonight, D.C.'s top prosecutor is backing claims D.C. police manipulated crime stats to show a bigger drop in crime in the district than was actually the case. It's an investigation we've been tracking for months now.
Yeah, over the weekend, a House Oversight Committee report added to the concern. It alleges misclassified crimes and a toxic environment inside D.C. police leadership under outgoing Chief Pamela Smith.
Our Matt Gregory has today's new developments.
So far, D.C.'s U.S. Attorney Pirro has not released the full Justice Department report, but this afternoon she publicly confirmed its central findings. She says D.C.'s top cops misclassified crimes in ways that made violent crime appear to drop more than it actually did, but she stopped short of calling the actions criminal. Tonight, serious questions about how crime got counted in the nation's capital. Allegations emerged this summer as federal policing surged in D.C. A House Oversight Committee interim report concludes some data was manipulated, explaining how MPD allegedly reclassified certain violent crimes to a less serious charge. One example, assault with a deadly weapon, was reduced to endangerment with a firearm. Tonight, U.S. Attorney Pirro saying of her own office's investigation, quote, "It is evident that a significant number of reports have been misclassified, making crime appear artificially lower than it was." And then she went on to say, the conduct here does not rise to the level of a criminal charge. D.C.'s police union went a step further, saying in 2024, when D.C. reported a 28% violent crime drop, FBI numbers actually showed a nearly 2% increase. Union spokesman Gregory Pemberton says the report shows, quote, "a toxic culture of coercion, fear, and corruption at the highest levels of MPD." The House Oversight Committee report alleged multiple MPD commanders claimed they felt pressured by Chief Pamela Smith to manipulate the numbers. Some said Smith humiliated them over crime trends in their districts. And last week, when Chief Smith announced her resignation, we asked if these allegations and investigations played a role into her decision.
My decision was not factored into anything with respect other than the fact that it's time.
MPD says they have no comment at this time, and U.S. Attorney Pirro has not released her office's full investigation, but she is urging MPD to address the issues internally. And also coming in late this afternoon, Mayor Muriel Bowser addressed the investigation in this letter that she sent to the House Oversight Committee, calling the report biased from the outset. She points out in the congressional investigation, Chief Smith and her assistants were never asked to respond to the allegations, and that independent numbers like a decrease in firearm injuries supports claims of a violent crime drop. I'm Matt Gregory, WUSA 9.